is Paula Mariz, welcoming you guys to my channel. If you're new in this channel, you can click the subscribe button down below together with the notification bell to get notified in every upload I create. And if you like this vlog, you can give it a thumbs up. And I will try my best to create this vlog as a 5 minutes one. So without further ado, let's start the vlog. Hi! It's about the Puso ng saging burger patties. Not originally made by me, but I add a twist in order to have more cooler taste. And it's also a healthy one for everyone. So are you ready guys for the very fast and short and easy procedure? This is it. Number 1 is prepare all your ingredients, mise en place. Next is prepare boiling water for the puso ng saging or heart of the banana. And boil the puso ng saging for 10 to 15 minutes. It depends on what kind of texture you like. It can be soft or crispy or just vanilla. Next, after that, drain it well. Mix all the ingredients in the puso ng saging. But first, you should mix the dry ingredient before the liquid. It is ready to be fried or deep fried until it's golden brown. After that, it's ready to serve for everyone. That's the end of my vlog. Thank you for watching guys. I hope you guys give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below together with the notification bell so you will be notified. This is again Paula Mariz saying that sharing is a great way to learn and to help others too. Goodbye and have a safe and peaceful Holy Week ahead. Bye!